Hello everybody. Today I am reviewing the Purex laundry detergent. This is the Bright Clean 4-in-1 Powerful Advanced Stain Defense Boost Advanced Oxy Cold Water Power. That's good. So I'm going to review this and get ready to go downstairs and wash my dark clothes. I got a few pieces in there of light clothes. I hope nothing happened to them, but yeah, I'm throwing those in too. So I will see you in the laundry room, okay? I like using this Purex on my dark clothes. It looks so clean. I have a blanket and some underwear and stuff, so I'm not showing that. They came out real clean too. My bath cloths are clean. And my mom used to use Purex and Ajax when we was growing up. And it's always been kind of thin. But I think with the HG machines, I think that Purex did pretty good, and I may continue buying it. Look how clean that is. It's nice. So stay tuned for some more reviews coming soon, okay? Bye.